Across India's vast and vibrant forests, from the verdant Western Ghats to the foothills of Himalayas, a silent crisis burns every year as the dry season tightens its grip on India. We watch in anguish as ancient woodlands turn to ash and smoke. Wild animals flee in panic, while forest-dependent communities face the threat of losing their lifeline. Forest fires have become all too common. In 2019 alone, over 30,000 forest fires were reported across India, leaving behind scorched earth and shattered lives. These are not isolated incidents. They are part of a global wildfire emergency fueled by climate change and man-made activities. As wildfire intensifies, traditional firefighting approaches are proving inadequate and risky. The escalating global wildfire crisis demands urgent attention and deployment of proven, innovative solutions to combat this growing threat. The time for action is now. In the face of rising wildfire threats, a powerful new alliance brings hopes to India's forests. Firefly Pumps has partnered with Vallfirest, a global leader in wildfire solutions, trusted in over 80 countries. Through this joint mission, we are launching forest fire products in India, empowering frontline terms for peak performance and maximum safety. Globally known as the Wildfire Company, Vallfirest delivers proven solutions and cutting-edge gear tested in some of the world's fiercest fires. With Vallfirest global expertise and Firefly's commitment to India, we are pioneering a new chapter in India's wildfire management. With over 60 years of expertise in fire pump design and manufacturing, Firefly is a perfect partner to amplify synergy in the domain. India's diverse landscapes demands equally diverse wildfire solutions. And for the first time, they are all available through Firefly's one-stop 360-degree approach. Earlier, forest departments sourced equipment from multiple sources, often missing out on portability and cutting-edge technology. Today, we change that narrative.
Firefly is doing great efforts on bringing all of that international knowledge here in India and translating it to the local reality.
With a holistic approach, Firefly brings the full spectrum of solutions to India. From high-level strategy to on-ground execution, a 360-degree solution leaves no gap. Trained teams with the right tools can tackle wildfires effectively, even in the most challenging conditions. Here is an overview of the product range and its advantages. PPE Kit. Our priority is protecting the protectors. From tough helmets to robust shoes, each component of Firefly's new personal protective equipment kit is meticulously engineered to keep firefighters safe and agile amid fierce flames and rugged terrain. Hand tools. Protection is vital, but so is power in hand. Our specialized hand tools are modern upgrades of traditional gear, made from lightweight, high-strength materials and equipped with ergonomic grips. These tools are field-tested in real wildfire conditions to perform when it matters most. Of course, while tools and tactics can slow a fire's advance, water is still our greatest ally in extinguishing raging flames. Backpack. At the heart of this solution is a compact portable backpack pump, weighing just 9.5 kilograms. Don't be fooled by its lightness. This pump packs a punch. With a powerful engine and efficient design, It delivers a high-pressure stream to stop small blazes before they erupt into massive wildfires. Inflatable water tank. If it didn't stop at the pump, water storage and relay are equally crucial in remote wildfire scenarios. Easily transportable and quick to deploy, our inflatable tanks ensure water is always within reach. Water relay. Now, here is the game changer. By combining an inflatable tank with a series of pumps and hoses, water can be relayed up to 1 kilometer uphill, leapfrogging the supply across rugged terrain. Water goes wherever the fire goes. ATV. Forest fires move fast, and so must we. That's why our rugged all-terrain vehicle is built for quick response in India's toughest landscapes. Equipped with high-capacity water tank, powerful pump, and essential gear, it delivers swift initial attack, support, and rescue where regular trucks can't go. Dronster. Traditionally, fire line preparation demands substantial manpower and time each year. With Dronster, this task can be completed faster and smarter. It's a remote-controlled multitasking firefighting robot. We call it Frontline Force Multiplier, which enables safe operation from a distance, transforming high-risk areas into manageable ground. Heliskid. When there is no road and no nearby water, the Heliskid takes flight. Designed for rapid air deployment, the Heliskid delivers high-capacity water storage and pumping power to the most remote wildfire zones, from high-altitude regions to deep forest clearings. In minutes, it transformed remote terrain into fully functional fire base. Now, we can tackle extreme scenarios without delays, ensuring swift and coordinated action to prevent wildfires from turning into days-long disasters. Firefly proudly unifies globally tested solutions into a cohesive ecosystem, adapted for India and built to strengthen the nation's forest fire management. For our frontline agencies, this means both convenience and confidence in every mission. The threat of wildfires is real, but so is our resolve. And now, we have a comprehensive 360-degree solution, blazing a new trail in shielding our forests from the inferno. Firefly is committed to working with forest departments, wildlife agencies, and disaster response units to deploy vital wildfire solutions across India. This is our moment to act, to protect the homes of rich flora and fauna, the majestic tiger's territory, elephant corridors, sacred groves of the Western Ghats, tranquil pines of the Himalayas, tribal communities living in harmony with nature, and the very breath of our nation, our forests. Together, we will ensure that when the next fire season comes, India's response will be smarter, faster, and more effective than ever before. Join hands, stand with our firefighters. Together, we can shape a greener future. अब रहेगा जंगल सुरक्षित.